Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Breaches VR error code 11. This issue has been reported on Quest 2, Quest Pro and Quest 3. As per our research, the error comes when players try to log into the game. The game gets stuck on the loading screen and doesn't allow users to proceed. According to our research, the error is likely caused by issues with your Meta account session or a problem with token validation on the device. To fix the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try again. After restarting, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, log out of your Meta account on the headset and log back in. To do this, go to Account Center, then select Password and Security, then select where you're logged in. From there, select your Quest headset to be logged out. Then log back in and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try adding another account to the device and log in using that account. Then switch back to your original account and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, check if there are any pending updates for the game or the headset. If yes, install the updates and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then you should contact the game support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.